Cooking for two guys.
Hey, what's up guys? And this week on Cooking for Two Guys,
we've got a Louisiana chicken fried sweet baby barbecue steak sandwich. Put a healthy helping of oil in the pot and set it on high heat. While the oil's doing its thing, innocuously place some cornflakes in a freezer bag. Then gently, but firmly, give those flakes a 1-2 until they become the crumbliness you desire. Now that you've beaten up those flakes so badly, send them on a resort. I like to call it the dish. Invite their friend Flour over too. He's gonna join the party. Egg wash time! You're gonna want to invite over a few of your boys to crack open a few yolky ones. We're also going to invite over some bull semen.
Stir, 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 that was good now.
Oh, you betcha here with the seasoning report. You're gonna start off with some where's this here? You're also gonna want to throw that dynamic duo salt and pepper on there too. You know what comes next.
It's been a while since I smelled that Worcestershire.
Start the breading process by putting that steak in some flour. Make sure it's coated all over the entire thing. Then give them a wash in our Love Sauce soaker. Once it's nice and soaked up, throw those babies in the cornflakes. We're gonna bread those suckers.
Like it up.
Be sure to get those babies nice and coated with that cornflake dust.
Don't want to have a chicken fry.
Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, in the radio. Start our sweet baby barbecue sauce off with some mayonnaise. Next, add some sweet baby rays. Then add some Louisiana hot sauce. Now what you gotta do, stir it up, stir it up.
This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous.
Now we gon' lather on some of that barbecue sauce, baby.
Squeeze. It'll be good. All these halves and stack them up nice. Oh my God, it's juicy.
Alright, I am rolling. Alright. Grab that bad boy. Now what we have here, folks, is a Kentucky Fried Steak Sandwich. Now you can take this to NASCAR, you can take this down to shooting gallery. I mean, look at that. With that sauce, so good. It's some. So what do you say? Some good shit.